Hey there guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Aputure MC that I recently ordered from Amazon. Nice symbol, looks almost like the symbol from Half-Life. And let's see what this thing has inside. Okay, let's just start with the box. It has a nice seal on it. Okay, we open this. And then, oh, it doesn't want to open. Okay, how does this? Oh, okay. It's not as complicated as I thought. Look, it's just sliding off. Whoops. Okay, so what we have here is the Aputure MC. Oh, the case is nice. It has some plastic parts and some aluminum. Okay, so we're back. A little bit of technical difficulties. So it has a nice plastic casing, but some parts are indeed aluminum. So this is the first part, then here the buttons, and you also have the under part where you can screw this on, and it's supposed to have magnets. And let's see if these two are. Here are the two magnets that you can use to, whoops, whoa, and the magnet is really strong. As you can see, I can lift this. People have been, okay, let's see, does this thing work? On, whoa, look at this, It's really nice, it's really, okay. Okay, so, it looks good. It's really clicky, as you see. Wait, let me hear you. I'm just pressing the roll. Doing an ASMR video. So it's really cool. Okay, let's use this light to help the camera focus on something. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, something new inside. It's a nice bag. Look at this bag here with the... Ooh, it looks good. So I'm using actually the Aputure light here to light this thing here. Oh, what does it have here? Oh, nice. It has a nice rubber casing that you can put inside. So then it has this, like this, I think. So, okay, yeah, I put it well. Okay, so this is the, okay, I'll let this focus till I get this thingy on it.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I managed to put this inside. So there's actually a smart part of it. There's some air here inside, and then comes this machine. I tried to push it in all the way, but it was the wrong way to go. Okay, so let's see what we got here for it. It's a USB 3 cable. Whoops, wait, let's see if, yeah, it's an USB 3 loading cable. You have some Velcro straps. These are pretty strong actually, these Velcro straps. You have two of them. Let's see if there's any more inside. So this bag is pretty neat. It has actually two compartments. Let's see, maybe there's some gold in it. Unfortunately not. And then you have this box inside with the user's manual, but nobody reads the user's manual. So this is about it. Nice light. It has also here the Kelvin value, how much of battery we have left, and a Bluetooth. So we'll see how I can set this up with my mobile phone, and let's see if the Aputure program is really that good. Okay, so see you in a jiff. Here you have the Kelvin value, and with the little steering wheel here on the side, steering it, you can set the Kelvin value higher or lower. So that's pretty neat. What happens if I press it in? Oh, I changed now the percentage. Okay, so the intensity is set here. And you press again and then it changes back to the Kelvin value. Nice, looks good, looks good. Let's see what we can do with the app. Who would have thought? We're gonna use the little manual to it because we have to install this Citus app in order for it to show its potential. You know, it's changing the color and taking you know, a picture of a color that you want or something to make the Aputure light take the exact form that you want, the exact color, sorry. Okay, let's see if we, after we install the app, what we have here. Okay, let's see if we can connect this Aputure system. So I'll just use my intuition to go through this. Maybe add one, new fixtures. Here on Aputure MC setup, let's see if this is working. Let's see. %100% success. Let's see, go on OK. Okay, MC 20 minutes of battery time. Let's see if I can change the color on this. Okay, so this doesn't do squat. I don't know, maybe I need to close the app and then open it again. Okay, well, let's try to pair this device. You turn on your Bluetooth, then go on color light. At least I hope so. I hope nobody's like doing some video chatting here in the neighborhood and I'm hacking the system or something. So it would be nice if I could connect to this thing. Oh, okay. Before you have to look on this page for Bluetooth mode, and you have to press and hold the control wheel for 2 seconds to access the system menu. Okay, so pairing this little device here isn't that easy as one would think, because you have to hold down, whoops, let's see, okay, you have to hold down this button here for 2 seconds and then go into this menu, and you have to select the BT and then yes, and then I go on this, wait, and now if you have to do this thing manually, then the HSI changes the color hue, and it rotates to all the colors. You can see it on the box, so you can change the hue using this dial. It goes from green and it has orange, and yeah, it's a pretty nice color. You can go to through the whole spectrum. Okay, so round 2 of this. So guys, lessons learned. In order for this app to work, you have to at first turn on your Bluetooth and just don't try to connect it here directly through this Bluetooth, because it won't work. You have to turn on the Bluetooth, then start the app, start one of these scenes, and then it will connect to this thingy. And as you can see, it's already connected, because if I hit off here, and then it turns off. If I hit on here, then it turns on. Nice. Nice. It looks good. It looks good. Let's see, and I can change even the color on it. Wow, look at my fingers. Look at my fingers turning a different color. I like this so much. So guys, if you want to order this, then just go ahead. I like it really much. It probably is an awesome mood lighting if you want to spice up the stuff with your lady. So I wish you guys the best luck with it. I think it looks awesome.